Today we are upgrading the Dell Vostro 7010. It is a business PC, it is a student's PC, and it is a gamer's PC. It is a polished metal, which is eco-friendly as well. From the front view, you are able to see your sticker. Simply means it is a 13th generation PC. The purpose of this video is to show you how you don't need any technical know-how to upgrade this PC. Here with me is a 4GB RAM chip PC4 that I'm going to add to our PC, which already comes with an extra 4GB. First, we will lay our PC on a smooth surface. You don't want to cause corrosion to it. Next, we will use our fingers to unscrew the screws, and you simply unscrew them in an anti-clockwise manner. Then you gently pop off your cover using the hook at the end of it. As you can see, the inside of our PC is beautiful with extra addition slots for your RAM, your SSD, and your hard drive. This that you're looking at here is an SSD. Next to these two is the additional RAM slot, and here immediately I will show you how we add the RAM. Gently hold your RAM chip, make sure your notch is adjacent to the tip of the RAM module, and there you slide it in, making sure the locks at both ends are intact. You will hear a clicking sound which will let you know that your RAM is intact. It is important to take note of the labels and instructions on our cover in case you want to add an extra storage device. We have the labels and instructions that you will follow. We will slide back our cover and fasten our screws and get ready to perform a Windows installation to enable our PC run. Thank you for watching. We are hoping to see you come shop for this product.